How to check if Facebook account is hacked or not. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Facebook application, then go to the menu bar. After that, go to settings. We will check if there has been made any kind of suspicious logins in our account. After that, go to account center and then go to password and security. Then go to where you are logged in. Here, see if any kind of suspicious devices or location have been used in order to log in to your account. Then go to login alerts. If there are any kind of safety concerns, you will be notified in this section. Also, you can check by going to your newsfeed and messages and see if there has been any kind of messages or posts that you did not make. You can also go to your activity and see if any kind of activity has been done without your permission. Sometimes when your account is hacked, you will not be able to log in to your account, and that could be a flag as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.